Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Surfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video we are going to have a look on pointers. So this term pointers has taken piss out of many people because it is a bit difficult, I would say, to understand these pointers, because these pointers are doing the same thing that you can do like the other way, like the simplest way, but using this one you can have some you can make some dynamic changes in the function or in your program, I would say. So for example, let's take here integer x, and I'm giving it a value 10. So now if you want to print this 10, what you will do is you'll simply printf statement, and you'll do here %d and comma, and you'll do here x, and you'll get the this 10 from this printf statement. Now what if I want to get the address? So now address, let's talk about address first. What is address? So address is the location of where this 10 is stored in the memory. In memory, if I'm saying, that means the RAM. So if whenever we are declaring a variable and we are storing a value inside it, in our computer, in our memory, it stores in a particular address. So for example, let's assume the address for this one would be 10133 whatever. I'll take this one. So this, at this location in my memory, the 10 is stored. Now what if I want to print this address? I'll simply do here %x. So from that I will get this address of this 10. Now what if I want to print this 10 indirectly, not by printing x? So at that time we can use the pointers, as I said. Let me just clear it out. So okay, now let's see here integer, and to declare a pointer you need to use this asterisk sign, and you can give the name of the variable. Here I'm doing p, and then if I'm doing here %x, so now that means this address is stored in this value. Yeah, so if I'm trying to print this %d, I would say for now, and I'll say asterisk p, then I'll get the value which is stored at this address. So that means I'll get 10. Now if I want this address, I will simply write down here p instead of this asterisk. So let me clear this out once again. So the printf statement for to print the address using the pointer would simply this %d and this p, that's it. So if you will do this thing, you will get 101336, that is the address of x. And if I'm using this, let me change the color. If I want this asterisk p, then I'll get 10 as the output. It sounds a bit complicated for now, but whenever you want to change the values indirectly, when you're writing a lengthy program and you want to change the value inside it using the function, at that time these pointers are very helpful, I would say. So this point it might seem a bit difficult to understand, but in next video we will probably, not probably, 110% for sure, we are going to do the hands-on practice for these pointers. So in that it would be really clear when we'll print the values. So till that time, take care and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.